Today, I am Renilyn Pitaliar and this is my partner.
Shina Angel Auxtero.
We are here with Mr. Arvin Apostol, the proud owner of Agbohao Water Refilling Station located here in Subahao, Talibon, Bohol. We'll be talking about how he started his business and challenges he faced and advice for aspiring entrepreneurs. Thank you for joining us today, Mr. Arvin Apostol. How are you today, sir?
I'm great.
Awesome. So, I have here some questions and I hope you are ready.
I'm always ready.
Okay. So, can you share a little about your personal background and how you started this business?
Well, I don't have any experience with regards to water refilling.
Okay.
It's just that it's the needs of the islands that because water is the basic necessity. So that somehow urged me to do the business of water refilling.
Okay. Number 2, what inspired you to start this business?
It was pandemic during that time, so I decided to stay at home with my family.
Okay.
So I think that's the reason why I put this business here.
Oh,
That
great.
inspires me a lot. My family inspires me.
siya.
That's great.
That's great. Number 3, how did you come up with the idea for your product or service?
Since we are living in the island and water is really important to us, and when we buy water in the mainland, it's really expensive for us here living in the island. So I think one of the reason is I can share somehow to our constituent here in the island and a very affordable water and an access free in order to help our constituent in the island in the accessing the free, the clean water and the very affordable water. So I think that's drive me to put up the water refilling.
Number 4, what were some of the biggest challenges you faced when starting your business?
Aside from the employee staff, no, drought is one of the biggest problem that we are facing. Like this time, it's summertime, so we have limited source of water. So that's one of the challenges that we are facing.
Okay. Number 5, did you ever experience moments when you thought of quitting? What kept you going?
There are a lot of times na I really wanted to quit in this kind of business. But then, because we are living here with my family and I wanted to stay with my family, that drives me to keep going because I am near with my family.
Number 6, how do you deal with failure or setbacks? Can you share an example?
Okay, face failures with confidence. No, sometimes there were mismanaged of machines. So we are we have a machine trouble previously. So what we did was we need to follow the process, the procedure, and how to operate the machines and teach our employees, our staff to do it rightly. So that's it.
How do you balance personal life as an entrepreneur?
I am a dedicated person, so in terms of work, I put 100% on it. So, in terms of my personal life, so, mga around 30%, I put 30% in my personal life. So, I never bothered to, trabaho is trabaho to me.
Last question, what advice would you give to someone who wants to start their own business in the Philippines?
Keep trying, work hard and have faith na makaya rin mo ang mga trabaho. And always pray to God na be and you work hard and always pray to the Lord that whatever happens, that will serve as an experience. And yeah, my inspirational quote to all the youths out there is, all dreams are within reach. All you have to do is keep moving towards them.
Thank you so much, Mr. Apostol, for sharing your journey and valuable advice with us. Your story is truly inspiring, and we wish you continued growth and success with your business. Thank you so much, Mr. Apostol, for your time and effort.
Our machine, this is a purified machine. And here, this is our wastewater. So our source is from deep well. And then, yeah, this is our gallon.
Ano siya? Fully booked. Fully booked na siya, guys.
Our tissue. Just make it dry para mapilit. Pag the seal.
Ako lang yung focus lang.
Pag the seal. Yeah, perfect.
Finished product.
Finished product, this is good for delivery.